everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're like me, you probably use YouTube a lot and sometimes you just want to clear your search history, whether it's for privacy reasons or just to keep things tidy. I'm here to show you how to do it on the latest version of the YouTube app. Let's dive in. First, open up your YouTube app. Make sure you're logged in into the account you want to manage. Next, tap on your profile picture. Now, tap on the gear icon, which is settings menu. Now tap on manage all history. Here you'll see an option for clear search history. Go ahead and tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to clear your search history. Tap on confirm. If you want to prevent YouTube from saving your search history in the future, you can toggle on the purge search history option. And that's it. Your YouTube search history is now cleared.